Most mornings start the same. I open the gate alone. I followed an instinct, even when the road felt uncertain, even when the results were slow, and little by little I realized I wasn't just building a brand, I was building a life. I still feel like I'm figuring it out, but there's peace in knowing that I'm walking in the right direction. Beetlehaus isn't just a store. It's the place I learned to live with my heart fully in it, to love what I do and do what I love, even if it takes everything. It's been years of dreaming, sketching, failing, rebuilding, of loading boxes, labeling parts, adjusting shelves, moving things 100 times until it finally felt right. Some days I spend hours here in silence, planning, fixing, trying to make sure everything has a purpose, even the smallest bolt, wondering if anyone will notice the care behind it. I think about all the moments I almost gave up, about the nights I left too late, and the mornings I came back too early, not because I had to, but because this place, it keeps calling me back. I don't always know what I'm doing, but I know why I'm doing it. And maybe that's enough. By 9 a.m., the quiet starts to fade. Engines roll in, old friends wave from their windows, and the smell of fresh bagels takes over the air. We called it Bugs and Bagels. Simple idea, invite the VW community to breakfast. No car show, no big agenda. Just a chance to catch up, share a meal, and explore the new shop. One by one they came, some with their families, some looking for that part they'd been chasing for weeks, others just happy to be surrounded by people who speak the same language, the language of engines, details, and stories.
Buenos días, en la comunidad de los BWs llevo desde que yo tenía 11 años, mi tío tenía Volkswagen y de ahí entró la fiebre. Estar en Miami, tener un local donde se puedan reunir los amigos es esencial, es importante. Estos son amigos que tú no ves todos los días. Uno está tan preocupado en el trabajo que cuando te desconectas y vienes aquí, uno puede intercambiar información, aprendiendo de los carros, aprendiendo de las piezas nuevas que están saliendo. De todos los eventos que pasan aquí en el estado de la Florida, yo trato de ir a todos. Uno que representa para mí esencial lo que era antes el Volkswagen, que se hacía aquí mismito en South Miami. Desafortunadamente del COVID se rompió, pero se está tratando de traer otra vez. Tenemos el Bug Jam, tenemos el Lakeland Show, tenemos el No-Do. Eso está en Daytona, uno en Lakeland, Bug Jam queda en Day City, Florida. Es esencial tener los shows aquí en Miami, porque la comunidad de Miami es bien unida. ¿Por qué yo me sacrifico ir a todos los eventos? Porque tengo pasión a los Volkswagen, la comunidad, los amigos que he hecho. Uno se rompe en la calle, todo el mundo te ayuda. Somos una comunidad y una familia, más que nada más el amor para un carro.
Some say this business is fading, that the air-cooled world is running out of steam. But if you stood here that morning, if you saw what I saw, you'd know the opposite is true. This community is alive. It's growing. It's evolving. And I feel lucky to be part of it. I find great pleasure in serving the VW community. I really do. Over the years, I've had the immense privilege of meeting a fantastic number of people I now call friends. I do it for them. I do it for the ones who are just discovering this world, for those who've always dreamed of owning a VW, and for the fun, because there's so much joy in this. I hope you liked this video. If it made you love, smile, or feel something, leave a comment, subscribe, and share it. Let's keep the engine running and this beautiful community alive.